Serus, gising na. Pasok ka pa. Uy, Serus.
Ah,
Pasok ka pa.
uy, hit na ako. Tagal po.
Bakit?
Ha? Tara. Dito tayo.
Yun.
Ay, ito na pala si Rio.
Nga pala, men.
Neng!
Kanina ba ka nag-iintay sa inyo?
Sorry, talaga ano, nagpagalis eh. Nandito na din pala si Rio. Tara na. Basok na.
Okay. Announcement?
Yun daw, tara. Everyone, tinideclare ng DepEd ang sked na walang mangyayaring pasok sa November 18 to 2024 hanggang November 22, 2024. Sa linggong walang pasok, ang elementary, high school, college at lahat ng government agency. Dahil sinabi ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. na ang lahat ng Pilipino ay magtutulong-tulong sa paghanap sa 7 Dragon Ball.
Walang pasok!
Tara, isa linggo!
Sa linggo! Tara, tutulong tayo.
Tara,
Let's
magkano
go.
na lang tayo. Maggawa na lang tayo ng music video. Tara.
Fighting school, study good. Nothing hard and maybe hard and they make you cool. But you learn mathematics. I just apply the rule number. I just apply the rule number. We are a book on a slide out of all the book. After she tease us, we get it, we can believe. Data collection and the presentation. And now we know them all. Math is getting wild. For me, you know we try so hard. I see that we know everything. Solving addition, subtraction, everything. So them all. Loving in mathematics. Math is getting wonderful.